Hey guys, how's it going? This is LG Help, and in today's video guys I'm going to be reviewing a very good client for YouTube on iOS. So as you all may know, since in iOS 6 we do not get the default stock application of YouTube on our iDevices, we need to download Google's application from the App Store or go ahead and use it from Safari. But some people may not like the YouTube application that Google released, and one of the reasons that I do not like it is because on the iPod Touch 5th generation and iPhone 4 and iPhone 5 it does not support the 5-row screen. So if I launch it right here, as you can see right there, it leaves black bars and that looks kind of ugly, and besides the interface is not really nice in my opinion, so I quite don't like it. So in this video I'm going to be reviewing an application that in my opinion is really good and will be better than the Google application YouTube in the App Store. So this application is called Jasmine and it is free from the App Store, although you can get a pro version, but the free version works just fine. So here it is, as you can see right here. Let's just go ahead and launch it to take a look. So let's go ahead and go back into the main menu. So here it is. As you can see, you get different tabs. You get search, browse, favorites, playlists, subscriptions, my videos, and recently played. And then you get a settings icon. So the search function works just as you would expect it to. You can go ahead and search there for whatever you want. And the browse version, as you can see, you can view the videos from featured, trending, top rated, top favorited, most viewed, and most discussed. So you can go ahead and view that, and you can also browse channels from there. And then you get favorites, playlists, which is pretty self-explanatory, subscriptions, which are all of your subscriptions that you have. So the people that you have subscribed to, as you can see, you can view them right there, and then you can go ahead and go into their channel. So I'm just gonna go ahead and load iDownload blog right here. So as you can see, it does load quite fast, and now here I can watch my subscriptions videos. So if I want to go ahead and play it, I can just tap on that. But one of my favorite functions of this application is that you can actually adjust the playback quality. So if you go ahead and go under the little settings icon right here, so these are all the preferences of the application. If I can eventually tap on that, as you can see here, you get Jasmine Pro, which is worth $2, but in my opinion it's not worth that because this application is really great. So you can go ahead and change the appearance. So you can enable nighttime, which pretty much will give it a really nice looking way, just like that. And I guess that's more eye warming to the eyes when you're at night, but you can also disable that. And then you can also change the brightness of your screen. So as you can see, you can go ahead and do that, which is really nice, so that you don't have to go ahead and go into your settings. You can just go ahead and do that from there. Then you can change the text size, the marked videos, and show link foot tones, which I don't know what that is. But so let's go ahead and go back. One of my favorite features is that you can go ahead and change the playback quality. So as you can see, if you have an iPhone, you can go ahead and change that to different types of playback qualities when you're on Wi-Fi and when you're on LTE or 3G. So on Wi-Fi, you go ahead, as you can see, you can go ahead and choose automatic, 240p, 360p, 480p, 720p, and 1080p. And since my Wi-Fi is pretty good, I guess, I do have it set to 1080p, but you can go ahead and change that to whatever you want. So if you have a slow connection, you can go ahead and change that to 360p or 480p so that it loads faster. And then you can go ahead and do the same thing for LTE or 3G. And you can go ahead and enable loop playback and queue next video, and that's for Wi-Fi only. And then you just get some normal settings. And then if you go ahead and click on done, as you can see, you can sign in. So I'll let's just go ahead and yeah, as you can see, I signed in into my account. So if I go ahead and go into my videos, it'll just load that. I can go ahead and play a video. So if I tap on that and on the little arrow right here, as you can see, now the video will play. And this is in 1080p, so I can go ahead and rotate my device and watch the video really nice, and watch it in the quality that I want. And for some reason it just crashed for me right there. But so yeah, that's pretty much it for this application. It is a really great application, especially because you can get it for free. So please leave me down below a comment on what you think about this application, guys. Do you prefer it over the stock YouTube application or not? And also please do consider subscribing down there, guys, if you want to see more iPod Touch 5th generation coverage, tweaks, and jailbreak tutorials and all of that great stuff. And I hope you have a nice day, and I'll catch you all in my next video.